In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily share files on Slack. If you're new to using Slack or want to enhance your file sharing skills, you're in the right place. Slack provides a seamless way to share files, whether it's a document, image, or any digital asset, making team collaboration much more efficient. We'll be going over two simple methods to get your files wherever they need to be in your Slack workspace. Let's dive right into the first method, dragging and dropping your files. Start by opening the Slack channel or a direct message where you plan to share your file. This could be a group channel where your team members collaborate, or a direct message with a colleague you're working with on a project. Once you have your Slack interface open and you're in the correct conversation, locate the file or files you intend to share on your computer. Simply select the files and drag them directly into the message field of the Slack window. It's that easy. You'll see a snapshot of the file appear right there in the message box. And before sending, take a moment to add a message if you want to give your file some context or a quick note for the recipient. If you have multiple files, you can rearrange the file previews in your preferred order. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click the Send button. Your files will be instantly shared with the channel or person, making collaboration quick and easy. Now, let's go over the second method, which uses Slack's plus icon. Begin by opening the Slack channel or direct message, just like we did before. Instead of dragging files this time, you'll click on the plus icon that sits conveniently next to the message field. This action opens up a menu with several options that include upload from your computer, or you can choose an integrated app like Google Drive if your file is stored there. Once you click this option, a file selector window will pop up. Locate the file or files you want to share and click either Open or Select, depending on your system. If you wish, add a message for clarity or context. And, when everything is ready, hit Send. Your file now reaches its destination, helping to keep those important conversations and projects moving. By utilizing either of these methods, sharing files in Slack becomes an incredibly straightforward task. Whether you're a fan of the quick drag and drop approach or prefer using the plus icon for a more guided experience, these options are designed to fit different preferences and working styles. With these tools at your disposal, your ability to share information and collaborate with your team is unlimited. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.